Good morning and welcome to Monday. I am very sorry I did not put up a video for last week. I had bronchitis. I started getting sick the end of the week before. And I thought, I am going to go to the doctor before this goes into full-blown pneumonia like it usually does. So I went and I had bronchitis, and so I was wheezing a lot. That's what was going on a lot of last week, plus the cough, the croupy kind of cough. And I'm still coughing and I'm still wheezing, but it's not painful anymore. My chest hurts so bad. I took last Monday off, but I worked the rest of the week. But I thought I'm just not up to filming, so I didn't. So please forgive me. I finally just got my 2 weeks before that up the last few days. So just kind of went in a spiral downhill for a little while. I'm starting to build myself back up again, and I will continue doing that. We'll see. Let's see what I'm wearing today. Otherwise, nothing happened this weekend. We got some snow on Saturday. It's supposed to, today and tomorrow, we're supposed to get 4 to 6 inches, I think. Winter weather advisories and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, for my brows today, I'm wearing the e.l.f. Eyebrow Treat and Tame. I'm using the tame part. And it is in dark. It's not really that dark, as you can see, but I like it. For, e.l.f., I like it. I think it went on very well. The spoolie is a little long for my taste. I like the little short spoolies, but it worked great. Not a bit of problem. For my lashes, I am wearing Smashbox X-Rated. And out of my high-end, this is probably one of my least favorite of my high-end. Although I do like it. Don't get me wrong. My lashes like to stick together when I use this. So I have to work at it a little bit, but once I do, my lashes look great. So anyway, I'm using the Butter Blush by Physicians Formula, and this is in Natural Glow. I really wish I would have got the little bit darker one, but this is all right. I've never been, their powder products have never worked that well for me. I think I get a hard top on a lot of them. So I don't know. Other people love Physicians Formula, and I do like their eyeliners and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. I'm using an eyeliner in Natural. This is Clean Color, I believe. Yep. And for my lipstick today, I'm wearing Kat Von D Lolita. Is it just... I know it's just me because everybody loves Kat Von D lipsticks. But I do not like the way this applied at all for liquid lipstick. I did not like it at all. It put like a ring around my lips. And then that's hard to get off. I'm just not happy with Kat Von D's lipsticks. I don't know. Sorry, Kat Von D. Like you'd be watching this, yeah. But anyway, and I'm sorry, I apologize to any Kat Von D fans. I won't buy any of her lipsticks because I just am not crazy about them. Everybody's got their own opinion, right? Just like, Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye-bye. Good morning and welcome to Tuesday morning. It snowed quite a bit last night. Yesterday morning my car wouldn't start. It was 13 degrees and my car wouldn't start. So I'm waiting. She's going to pick me one of my coworkers is picking me up this morning, as they did yesterday morning. I don't think it's just the cold. I think I need a new battery. And thank goodness I'm getting my refund on Thursday, so I'll get a new battery then. I don't remember when I got my last one. I wish I would have wrote that down somewhere. But I'll write this one down so I know when I got it. Because it doesn't seem like very long ago, but that could be years ago in my memory, you know. So anyway, I need to get going and get ready because she picks me up probably about 20 minutes before I normally leave. So today I am wearing, first thing I wore was the Anastasia Brow Wiz in, I believe this is soft brown. Yep, it is. And it's very precise. It's very small, so it takes me longer to do because I'm not used to, sorry, my eye's watering. I'm not used to going that precise on my brows. But I do like the way they ended up looking today. You know, I could just do about anything with them. So they still aren't perfect. They still don't really match. I'm terrible at that. So, but, you know, they look pretty good, I think. My mascara today is Perversion by Urban Decay. And I think I've said this before, but I wish every deluxe sample size could be like this with the longer wand and stuff. I love this mascara so much. Then I'm wearing the e.l.f. blush in Mellow Mauve. If anybody else has e.l.f. blushes, they are very powdery, so make sure you tap your brush off. And then for my lip liner, I'm wearing the AOA Studios by Shop Miss A, and this is in Nude. And for my lipstick, I am wearing Lumiere 2 by ColourPop. And it is pretty dark. I second guessed myself on wearing this to work, but I'm going to because it is matte as matte can be right now. So I'll wear it. Got to get out of this afraid to wear it to work stuff because I'm using my liquid lipsticks, and I am so terrible at applying liquid lipsticks. I'm always going out of my lip line when I do it and smearing it. Always. So anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. If you got any snow, drive safe, be careful, walk slow, as my friend Ian says, and I will talk to you later. Good morning and welcome to Wednesday. My car wouldn't start again yesterday, so I got another ride. I'm getting a ride this morning, and tonight she is jumping me, and I'm going and getting my new battery. So, thank God. I hate depending on other people. I just hate it. So anyway, I have to get going as usual on these mornings. You know, she picks me up a half an hour before I normally am picked up, or normally leave, so I have to get going. So anyway, today I'm wearing my Project Beauty items, and the first one is the Milani Easy Brow. And as you can see, it's starting to run out. Getting a lot of bare spots. You know, it takes a little bit to do this now, you know, because it's getting lower. But I do like the results. If I would decide to get that again, I would repurchase it. So, my Better Than Sex is still going strong. Mascara. My Milani blush in Tea Rose. my Clean Color lip liner in Mauve, and my Kat Von D in Lovecraft. I don't know if I'm making a whole lot of a dent in that. I think I am. It looks a little different from when I started, I think. So anyway, Mom felt sorry for me and said, well, I said, I get paid tomorrow. She said, that's okay, I'll go ahead and I'll pay for it, and then you can pay me back. So she doesn't want me to be stranded any longer. So anyway, I'm going to get my battery, and I'm happy about that because this sucks. We did end up getting quite a bit of snow yesterday morning. The streets were a little hazardous, so I'm kind of glad I didn't drive. Because Vicky, the girl that gave me a ride, is she's our newest employee, and she's very nice to do this. So thank you for watching today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good morning. Welcome to Thursday. I got my new battery last night and came home. My friend tried to jump me, and I couldn't even get it to charge. But I think that she didn't have her deals on right, her jumper cables. I had mine on right, and it looked like hers were okay, but it wouldn't even charge. So I called the Goodyear where I got my battery, and they came out and brought up a machine and started right up. So that's why I'm thinking that maybe it wasn't grounded right somewhere. Either her or me. I don't know. I do know how to use jumper cables now, so I don't know. So anyway, got that taken care of and just came home. Got my income tax this morning in my account, which is wonderful. So I paid my a few bills this morning already. My cable bill, or my internet bill, really, because I don't have cable, and my my electric bill, paid those. So that's taken care of, and paid a little extra on each one, so it's pretty good for next month too. So anyway, what am I wearing today? First I started off with the Sonia Kashuk brow. I like this, actually. It's got a big wand on it, but I think it made my brows look just fine. So then I wore the Sephora the mascara, and it pops open like the Tarte one does, but I have never once had the gunk around the inside or around the outside like the Sephora one did. But I really like the spoolie on this. Next was my Milani blush in Berry Amore. If I can get it open now. And my lip liner is Clean Color in the color Rose. And it's pretty pink. So I don't know if that had anything to do with my lip color or not. But my lip color today is the Tarte Lip Paint in TBT. And this goes on kind of weird. I mean, I like the way it went on my bottom lip, but I had a hard time getting it on my top lip to, you know, with this wand. I don't know. But anyway, that is my morning. I'm so happy to have my car. I really we're supposed to get up to 4 inches again today. Tomorrow, oh yeah, I had a ticket on my car this morning, or yesterday morning, because I didn't move it when they did the snow removal the other day. Well, my car wouldn't start, so I didn't move it. So now I have to pay $25 there today. Crazy. Just crazy. I'm not very happy about that, but I'll pay it. Anyway, like I was saying, we're supposed to get 4 inches again today, and then it's supposed to snow this weekend again. And I was hoping to go to the town that has the Ulta and all that kind of stuff this weekend, but I probably won't make it. So we'll try. We'll shoot for spring break if I can hold out that long. Money burns a hole in my pocket, I'll tell you what. I might search on Walmart's website tonight and see what they've got for computers. Somebody said that they got a Dell for $500 and it worked just fine. I'm going to look and see. And on QVC and HSNs too, so. And just see what they've got. And on Best Buy. So, I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Morning and happy Friday. I am running a little late, so we're going to get right into my makeup and then we'll chat just a couple minutes. What I'm wearing today is Make Me Brow by Essence. Then the Superhero Mascara by It Cosmetics. I love the sample size mascaras, but the wands are just not long enough. I have a hard time. This is a good mascara though. Laura Geller Beauty Blush Baked Gelato Vivid Flower Blush in Pink Dahlia. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just so gorgeous. And it doesn't even look like I've hardly made a dent in it. And I've used it quite a few times. My lip pencil is by Essence in the Nude. I was going to wear my Ofra in Santa Ana, but it's just too dark. It's really, when you pull out the wand, it almost looks red. And I can't wear that to work. So I changed it for the NYX Liquid Suede in LSCL09. Yep, that's all it says. I don't see a number on there. And it's pretty pink. But it's really pretty. I like it. So, we got a lot of snow yesterday. About 7 inches, I think. And I parked up in our driveway. And they told me that, I had a spot in the driveway. So I parked up in there so I wouldn't get a ticket again. And some girl comes knocking on my door about 9 o'clock last night and said, "Can you move your car?" That's only for apartments 1 and 2 because they're bigger. They're 2-bedroom apartments. I said, "No, because my landlord told me I could park there and I'm not getting another ticket." I says, "Where am I supposed to park if I can't park there?" "Well, you can park on the street." I said, "No, I can't. Not when it's snowing like this." So I called my landlord and she must have got it straightened out because they're parked on the street. There was some truck parked in there too, I guess, after I parked, and nobody knows who it belongs to. So, I don't know if there's going to be notes on my car this morning or what. But I'm not getting another ticket for parking in, when they are snow removal. So, I did do a little shopping last night, so there'll be a couple of hauls coming. I don't know if I'm going to make it to that city. I just don't know if I'm going to make it. I might just go someday this summer because the weather just does not look like it's going to get any better. And I'm not going to chance it with my car. So I probably will just do an Ulta online order. That way I can get rebates anyway, if I do an online order or Mr. Rebates or whatever. So I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend.